there, I'm Dr. Francesca Zampollo, and as you know, I talk about food design. This video is going to be a food designer profile because I received an email from Costa who sent me a few links of his projects. I found them very interesting and I want to share them with you. The project that I want to show you is called Traditional Greek Energy Potions. And so this is the website. Born many years ago, Druid the Parnes became familiar with the ancient techniques of potion making in the deep forest of Britannia. After a long apprenticeship with masters of the art, he returned to his beloved Mount Parnes, experimenting with the creation of potions based on Greek recipes. In the age of science, innovation, space travel, and molecular gastronomy, he is ready to offer you state-of-the-art traditional Greek food, full in taste, energy, and vitamins, available on the go throughout your busy daily schedule. So the project really is a bunch of recipes transformed into these energy potions, into these infusions. They're not ready yet, they're not out there yet, but they are about to be. It says contact to pre-order. And what I like about the website is that it says traditional quality and then taste. It says trial and error until grandma approves. So we have so we know that the recipe is traditional as much as it could be. So well done, Costa. I think this is an interesting project. I look forward to see how it develops, and definitely an interesting application of an interesting example of food design, in between design with food and food product design. As you know, design with food is the design of the food itself, of its colors and textures and what makes flavors, etc. And food product design is whatever is the edible product made for industrial production. So this is between these two. As Costa says, as the website says, there have been a lot of hours gone into research, so this is good to hear. A lot of hours that I suppose went into translating these traditional recipes into these liquid flavors, energy potions. And the company is based in Greece, and I find it super cool that in the Google map on the website, you really see that it looks like it's in the middle of nowhere. It says, hidden from inquisitive glances, the lab is concealed deep in Mount Parnes. One might stumble upon it when lost during a hike, and it really is in the middle of nowhere in Greece. So this makes everything sound way more appealing to me, or to people like me, I guess. That's it. If you are interested in food design and maybe you're new to my channel or new to food design and you're not really sure what food design is, have a look at the online School of Food Design, where you will find, among other things, also free courses that explain you the basis of what food design is, so that you will be able to start from there your food design understanding, possibly your food design career. Stay tuned for way more videos on food design, so subscribe to my food design channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and write me in the comments below if you have some interesting ideas or some interesting people that you would like me to talk about in my channel. As always, have a lovely day and happy food design.